My sister told me I didn't deserve to be a mother. You, a mom? Amara sneered, swirling her wine glass. You can barely take care of yourself. Her words stung more than I cared to admit. I knew she didn't joke about things like this. Growing up, Amara was always the perfect one. Popular, straight-A student with a life that seemed so easy. Me, the quiet, clumsy one. Always overlooked. Our parents doted on her, while I struggled to gain their attention. So when I told Amara I was pregnant, her reaction was as expected. Raising a child? I give it a year before you mess it up. It hurt, but I brushed it off. Or tried to. Deep down, I couldn't help but wonder if she was right. Could I really do this? At my baby shower, Amara didn't hold back. I feel bad for this baby. She doesn't know what she's getting into. The words hit like a slap. I froze, everyone staring at me. Doubt crept in. Was I really ready? But then something shifted. I stood up, heart racing but determined. Just because you're always the favorite doesn't make you better than me. I will be the mother this baby needs. Amara's face darkened. She didn't say a word. Later, as I lay in bed, a small kick from inside me made everything clear. It wasn't just a movement. It was a sign. A reminder that I was enough. And for the first time, I truly believed it.